Could have been pickleball, could have been using a sledgehammer to remove a 4-foot diameter trunk, could have been plank taps, but where TFCC hurts is right here. You can tell it's a little swollen, and it's mostly if I go in that direction, not so much here, which makes me think that kind of stuff. So ice, heat, steroid shot, it's getting a lot better. I found it in with the medical supplies. It's like an ace bandage type color. Simple to attach. Hasn't really popped off any. You're limited on how much you can apply pressure by this little area right here. So it worked pretty well. Went to the doctor and he recommended this wrist widget. This was $30. And first impression, it was a bit flimsy. And I tried it anyway. One thing this doesn't have is an opening over here where that little bone area is. This one has it. It's got two Velcro straps that are a little bit more difficult to put on because they're separated. I didn't find this has a lot of support for me for how my injury feels, and I don't really care. It's basically a piece of Velcro. I don't know how that's going to last. I'm pretty rough with things. Yeah, so it's a lot narrower. That may be good for some people, but I'm not keeping this one. The next one I got was this one at Academy. I really like this one. It's very firm. McDavid. Can be adjusted a variety of ways in terms of the amount of pressure you want on here. Got a really long Velcro strip. It's solid. And pull it, tighten it as much as you want. That is total support. I can't bend anything there. There's no opening here. If you're sensitive, this might not be you. This might not be for you. And then finally, I bought this one also. And this has a little opening. It's very simple to put on. Lots of adjustment as it just comes around as far as you want. It's got the opening for the bone area, and that worked well. So when I first got the injury, doctor said keep playing. So I wore this one and it helped. And now that this is starting to feel better, I wore this one this week. Relieve the pressure. That this puts pressure all the way around it. So pretty good choice. Get what fits. You want a lot of support. You're really injured. Start out with something like this. They both helped me give some support and not add extra pressure. But hope you have a speedy recovery with your injury.